I have to sneeze, so I'm starting a video, and I'm not gonna end it till I sneeze. I have such a hard time sneezing lately. Did anyone else have a really hard time sneezing lately? It's like, if everyone stopped sneezing in the entire world, how long do you think it would take people to realize that no one's sneezing anymore? Anyways, how do you sneeze again? You look at like the light, right? Like, this has been annoying me all day. I think I have allergies again because it's like September now and like the trees are changing and stuff. But I can't sneeze. Shoot! Sneeze. Sneeze, come on. Sneeze. Please sneeze. It's been... Oh my gosh, I'm abusing myself. Wait. I am 11. Who else watched that video and said, I want to be friends with that guy, he's funny.